Tutorial videos are a great help resource for learning feature-rich software. However, learners can still face difficulties in understanding or following the tutorial content. Their only option in that case is to leave questions in the comment section for the video, but getting answers to these questions may take several hours or even days. In this research, we explore if it's possible to automatically generate answers to questions about tutorial videos. To gain insights into question asking behavior, we first analyzed 663 questions found in about 6,000 comments made on 20 popular tutorial videos on Fusion 360, which is a 3D CAD software application. We identified 4 main categories of questions and decided to focus on the first 2 categories, content and user, due to their relatedness to the tutorial content. For these questions, we observed that users frequently described visual parts of the video in questions. We conducted a study to gain insights into the types of visual content the users refer to in their questions. We developed a system that allows users to ask questions and also add a visual reference to a specific part of the video. These visual anchors are then saved to a gallery. Users can directly link to these anchors in their questions either by clicking on the anchor in the gallery or by mentioning its name. It is also possible to refer to multiple anchors in a question if the user wants to refer to different parts of the video. We used this system in a study with 24 participants. Each participant was asked to view a tutorial video either for Fusion 360, Photoshop, or Excel, and pose 10 questions with visual anchors about that video. We found that the majority of visual anchors were related to specific UI elements and the workspace of the software applications. From the studies, we derived design goals of an answer pipeline for software tutorial videos. First, consider the video context when the question was posed. Second, understand visual references associated with the question. And third, provide accurate and useful software-specific information. Based on these design goals, we developed AQuA, a question-answer pipeline that can generate useful answers to questions about tutorial videos with visual anchors. Our AQuA pipeline takes the question text and the associated visual anchors as inputs. The visual recognition module first generates a text description of the anchor using a UI database composed of UI icons and their names. The retrieval module then retrieves relevant content to the question text and text description of the anchor, which includes product documentation and transcripts of other video tutorials for that software. We also retrieve the title and relevant sentences in the transcript of the tutorial video that the question was asked about. All of this is then fed into GPT-4 through a crafted prompt to get a helpful answer. Finally, we evaluated our pipeline with 16 Fusion 360 users. For each question, they were presented with answers generated from 3 different variations of the pipeline: question only, question and video context, and our full pipeline, to investigate the power of AQuA over 2 realistic baseline methods. Participants rated each of the 3 answers for correctness and helpfulness and picked their favorite out of the 3. The results demonstrate that our AQuA pipeline produces more correct and helpful answers compared to the 2 baseline methods, and also was preferred the most. With our carefully designed answer pipeline with support for visual anchors that reflects how users naturally ask questions, we provide insights into the future of interactive and responsive learning experiences.